How do you verify your bank account for a PayPal business account? Verifying your bank account is a crucial step for unlocking the full potential of your PayPal business account. First of all, log into your PayPal account, head to the PayPal website or app and log in using your business account credentials. Then access payment methods. Once logged in, navigate to the section that manages your payment methods under business profile and click on money, banks and cards. Then link bank account. Locate the option to link a bank account. It might be labeled bank accounts. Link a bank or a similar option within the payment methods section. Then simply enter the bank details. Carefully enter your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and account type. Ensure all information precisely matches your bank records to avoid delays. Then confirm bank account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.